Children, let's learn about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or give more detail about a noun. What do they describe? They describe color. For example, the red ball. They describe size. The tiny mouse. They describe shape. For example, the round clock. They describe feeling. The happy child. They describe sound. The loud music. And they describe taste. The sweet apple. More examples for describing people. John is generous and kind. The adjectives are generous and kind. Number 2. The brave boy climbed the tall slide. The adjectives are brave and tall. Number 3. Grandpa is wise and tells funny stories. The adjectives are wise and funny. Number 4. The curious child asked many questions. The adjectives are curious and many. More examples for describing things. The round balloon floated into the blue sky. The adjectives here are round and blue. I hug my soft teddy bear before bedtime. The adjective is soft. The thick book has colorful pictures inside. The adjectives are thick and colorful. My new backpack is light and strong. The adjectives are new, light, and strong. Describing places. Places can have adjectives too. Examples: beautiful, quiet, busy, old, clean. Sentence: the old chalkboard needs to be replaced. The adjective is old. More examples for describing places. The playground is nice and beautiful. The adjectives are nice and beautiful. The church is so quiet. The adjective is quiet. The streets are busy and noisy. The adjectives are busy and noisy. Many people are swimming in the beach. The adjective is many. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new today.